Hey, so this is my computer. It's back online finally. I can just go to YouTube and it'll work. And this thing Google Chrome will often crash into me when I'm not using it. But whatever. And I can finally go on my stupid logo and do whatever else. Hey, how dare you? That's it, I'm opening it. Okay, so here's YouTube. I don't know. So yeah, I've been using a lot. I've been watching a lot of cinema school in the past few days, but the past couple days, I can load up this video and it'll work. Now I'll talk about this ringtone. Anyway, as I was saying, so this is what I like to call my chocolate chip lava cake. I made it using the Duncan Hines brownie packet. Yeah, I added a Hershey's mini bar in the middle and added chocolate chips into the mix. Let's give it a try. It's really hot. I thought it was gonna be a lot more funnier than it is. I need water. Oh, come on. It's one of my favorite ringtones. Latino Lady is one of my favorite ringtones. And it's a girl. While Joyful Holiday is my least favorite. Actually, Left Light is my least favorite. Oh my god, I hate Left Light! And that claps. Blah! Blah! Din! 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 Oh, the white chocolate. Oh. He is to me my favorite song. I like this one.
Seriously, you should not worry about him. He will be okay. You should be thinking about going back home soon.
How dare you steal?
I just don't feel like I can leave until he wakes up. Hey, have you been back to the Eternal Cherry Blossom Tree yet? Its flowers are bloom. We should go see them.
Oh.
These dark clouds.
Oh.
Or are they just lingering over the mountain? Damn it. The plants cannot flourish in this condition. Kira, what is it you are up to?
Oh my god, they ripped off Nokia. Yeah, they ripped off Nokia. Off Nokia. I can go right over here. Oops.
Something must have broken. I do not deserve to stay on the mountain.
Hogwash, my boy. Everyone makes mistakes. You are too hard on yourself.
I can
No
still.
one has ever been perfect, nor can they ever be. It is the one enduring truth that ties us all together. Shinjiro is no different.
I can
The
literally.
young Tengu will run into life as well. Consider Suiro. You may seem composed and infallible, but he has a nasty habit of knocking over my poor bonsai trees. Absent-minded though he may be, the amazing thing about him is that the
I accidentally spilled some water on my lava. So I can load up this video and it'll work. Now let me enjoy the rest of my loading.
Thank you.
The clouds. Those thick clouds are clearing away. At long last. I can see and that means
No.
I can see her as well.
Here's my music library, but just the mess of stupid stuff.
With her by my side.
Yeah. Oh no! I think I have cavities.
Hey, is something wrong? Oh, okay. But I think I just sensed Jiro's presence.
Attention! Master Jiro is finally woken up! Brother Suiro
Come
is
back
talking
here.
to him as we speak.
That's great. Nothing.
Page bills?
If not for that medicine, you would have lost your life.
Now,
You must be grateful to that young
focus
girl,
on next button.
right? Shattered dreams.
That was quite
But here the claps.
While you were laying down on the job, Shinjiro kept the affairs of the compound running smoothly. The great brothers are all very proud of him for taking on their role. In honor of your recovery, tonight he is planning for his last year as active leader to the Cherry Blossom Viewing Party. You will attend with me, won't you?
I suppose.
Mr. Suiro! I heard that Jiro's alive!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
2 days.
Look at that Hershey's bar. Oh my god.
Confession didn't even cross my mind. I can't believe I forgot. He said he loved me.
Wow, after all that, you cannot even speak to the poor guy.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do!
Oh my god. Killer. This killer pointer
Tonight?
Yes, is that a problem?
compared to my finger.
Seems kind of sudden.
With Jiro finally well again, surely there is no reason for us to stay any longer.
Oh, I know.
I guess that's true.
Mike, what?
If you go back, you could always stay.
What exactly am I supposed to do if I'm all alone?
Obviously, you could spend your time getting to know Jiro.
Ooh, let me.
You're tasteless, but in your case, you should consider yourself lucky that any form of beast.
Mike was so tempt. That's how it goes. No. Hey, look.
Yes, he seems to be a fine
I
character.
finally updated my background after might have been like years. Well, might have been like 10,000 years. And it's the ice cream screen recorder. If not, I haven't even seen it yet, so let's do that.
Fox, what are you just lying around for?
You're awfully excited.
Duh, it's a celebration. One last hurrah for Jiro's health. And then we can finally
It's
go
a
home.
weapon.
Window maximized. Now, my
Hooray! I get to see this.
For this meal in anticipation of the fourth
Candy.
succession ceremony.
Oh yeah.
Cancelled. We accepted delivery from the caterer.
Okay, so that's the test. Anyway, so as you can see, I've moved some of the. Okay, let me show you the full wallpapers. Not for music, pictures. There's nothing in music except for set with this stuff that my dad and mom had, and Ring chose question by facade. There's nothing there, and some other stuff which I don't even need.
You know what I mean? Take this. Me.
Oh, PNT.
You see next to me.
It's right here. Okay, so I've added all of the photos I've gotten since I made this, moved some of the stuff, and finally added the smartphones.
They are.
It's not all the smartphones, it's most of them.
That's before I agreed to come.
Here.
And moved these things and added the cloud. Originally it wasn't supposed to be there but because of the
Open your
because there was nothing in the space, I decided to add it there. The Lord is for this thing with this. Oops.
What is that?
Oh, it's nothing.
I have. I can't believe how clean the air is. Not to mention the kids here are too freaking cute.
Well, you could
Also,
say
I replaced that black Nokia with this, and that Samsung C100 with the SDH-X427. I will remove it. It does not come, and instead replace it.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
And I'm gonna remove this because my dad's selling it.
They could be KISS.
But that'll be like.
He does not possess the nerve to force himself.
But I'll make the updates like a week from when they actually happen.
As a human, her life is short. She should spend her time
So yeah,
doing
it's
what makes
just
her
that.
happy. Staying here with him fulfills that criteria.
Oh my god, this is so rare. I can't believe it.
Let me give you some advice.
And this is called Fuck, and it's an edited picture of his screenshot. As you can see, I wrote Samsung SDH DT19 X427 in place of MSS EA5. The release of MSS EA5 S5E6 and the hashtag is placed right next to 10. That's all I did. Everything else that was in here is yeah.
Yeah, you see,
Oh yeah, and that everything else. Oh yeah, I added hashtag temp to you.
he wants to go off on his own.
Oh yeah, everything else is a screenshot. Has not been edited. I wish I could post it to Instagram, but I guess I'll just do, I don't know. Oh yeah, and I finally copied my school account.
I see. I had no idea how precious this medicine was. Sorry to waste some.
Oh yeah, that's on my, I forgot. What's later?
This would just
Here, not they might.
Excuse me, but I'm talking?
And you know,
When I close my eyes,
Ah,
I'll be able to see you again, sitting amongst the flowers.
I guess I'm not so good at eating.
My goodness. I'm terribly sorry.
Hold on, listen.
I got herself drunk before I realized what was happening. What? How? Why is this
Again?
rolling on the floor wasted? You can see she...
Did you hear it? Oh yeah.
Can you pause that?
I love how Anna says Samsung like if
Pause
she's.
that? Pause it. I think we're
As I was saying, I love how she says tempt them with Samsung as if she was stressed.
celebration. I want to visit them again. Maybe in the spring.
Anna's stressing Roma.
Come on, Tomoe. Where did Kurama go?
To hell if we're lucky.
Hey, that tin Kurama was a lot of fun. Let's do it again. Tomoe, are you listening to me? I'm
We play song with Joe and eat the pommes. Oh, but for Hammond. Ooh.
Mine will stay here.
But replace or get rid of all that and add 404. Not 3. Now she's even more stressed. Ha ha ha. You do it again? It's asking me to give it the T. But I love T's. They're a letter and they're important. Ha ha ha. T, 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 small T, 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 T. What temperature is... I don't care. Drawing food, I don't care about... Oh, I love Santa Bowman Boy. This is so cute. Oh no, how dare you remove Temp DTE Bowman. Oh, that's it, you're good.
Any moron can set a fire, but it takes someone far more skilled to quench it. Do not fiddle with flame.
Okay, I'm done with this, so yeah.
Rồi mấy cái được rồi mà khác ở quá đâu đó.
I didn't break it. Anyway, so Santa Bowman 4 works. That's why I named it, because it takes me to Santa Bowman 4's page as a guest, because he blocked me. Kaylee told me that that I was violating his rule. Oh, I wanna read. So that's what the white team in Vegas Pro 15 looks like. Isn't as white as we expected though. Now, the white team reminds me of older programs. Seems to do rather reasonably well in that department. At first I thought, what the hell is what the hell is imminent? Or however you say it. But when I go over there, it means about to happen.
Imminent.
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 Imminent. Oh my god, Samdom makes me learn so many grown-up adult words. Okay, well. I'm sweating every day. AT&T?
Hello? Yes.
Password for what?
The
Laptop?
no, the iPhone này đi.
It's 111111.
Hả?
It's 111111.
It's all ones.
1111.
It's all ones.
111111.
It's all ones.
Temp.mid Santa Bowman 4.
Jenny, stop putting passwords on everything.
Xe sao ở đây rồi? Bên ai quá thì
Well, I thought it was mine.
Stop
Một
putting
đấy là không
passwords.
xa là what? It's not sad. Okay.
Windows. Temp.mxamjo 4. Chrome Legacy window. Temp.mxamjo 404. Google search. Toolkit.
See?
Search. Toolkit. Temp.mxamjo 404. Temp.mxamsungd 1200R.
Are they very similar? Out.
Samjo 404. Google
I'm
Plus.
very busy at the
Google
moment.
Plus
You
window.
don't need to prepare my meal.
Yay, we are halfway done. We are more than halfway done. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! No! No! I'm sorry, I'm leaving. I don't care about you. Let's do it. S.
Once you're done, you can leave the plates out in the hallway for me.
Message for website. W. Let me show you down block. Okay, so let's go to his Google Plus.
They sealed off your Motsu.
See, I'm restricted from him.
Fortunately, I was able to make a stone mirror with soil I brought back with me.
He's following Candy. Yay.
The entrance should be complete.
Okay, so if you haven't noticed, my Google Plus is inactive. So please do not go there by all,
This time I will get my own bike.
even if you want to. So please do not comment on it, even if you want to, because I'm not gonna see it. The reason why is because it's because the DCS is on us. Yeah, the DCFS means
Temp.mxamsungd 1200R. Close button. Temp.mxamjo 404. Google search tab. Temp.mxamjo 404. Google search. Close button. Samjo 404. Google plus tab. Samjo 404. Google plus.
The name of a
Close
potential
button.
enemy.
Back button.
anyways, I was saying.
Item.
It's finally about to happen. It's all right.
Anyways, I was saying that so the DCF stands for Department of Children and Families, and it's the FBI and CIA together. They are more powerful than the FBI and CIA together. That's what one user said on my goodbye page. My goodbye post on Yak.
So hot down here. Huh? I wonder where Master Kirihito ended up hiding.
Let me show you my favorite part.
Master Kirihito!
Um,
I wouldn't know what to do if I couldn't find you.
No, this is unexpected. I'm still alive.
that quality.
Persuasion turned to dust.
Blah 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 blah.
Might happen to you, just like it did to Tekimaru. Who are you?
Wait, I'm confused.
Your interest in opera, oh.
Oh goodness.
Well,
I never. I'll tackle position.
Not this one.
Flat. Tackle jump.
This guy.
The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog too many times. Indeed, 1,234,567,890 jumps could wear out anybody. But no worries, all you need is a super magical energy soda and you'll be as good as new. Just make
I love
sure your
this one.
throat's not sore. How are you guys doing the same day?
Well, the lazy dog era is my favorite one.
Never thought about that. Well, story-wise, it should still be the same day, but that wouldn't explain how we'll know about current events.
Hey, are you listening to me?
Jenny, what's the password to the iPhone?
I said 111 111.
How many? 1, 4, 1?
111 111.
Why you put password? They record my cat. You record now? Huh? My cat, you record now?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You just recorded that?
Then I call
Seriously?
You, and name and everything like that.
Who cares?
But don't.
Edit it out.
Okay, fine.
All of us out. Edit that out. Edit your name out. Edit everything.
Alright, if you say so. Anyways, as I was saying.
Jenny, listen, Jenny. If you record, you just go upstairs quiet. Jenny, don't move.
I can record wherever I want.
Not on my boy and then.
Attempting Windows. Windows is attempting to stop using old jokes.
Control.
Right, what?
Jenny, can you pause that?
Microsoft Sam.
They were so powerful.
Anyways, I was
Microsoft Sam.
so.
At some point, Master
Oops! Oh no, I can't see Sam's comment because, well, guess what?
Master Opera O's body went to the nether.
I can't. I'm blocked from him on YouTube as well until my 13th birthday. That's just crazy. He said that he'll only block me for a year unless it's like forever.
Jenny, go get water for me, please.
Alright, if you say so. And then,
Do you actually know how to make something that fast? Yes.
but he blocked me for like 2 years. 2 years. Seriously.
Microsoft Sam.
Anyways, so.
Toolkit.
Control. Okay, now I want you to hey, quiet. I decorated my computer.
Stop. Toolkit. Track. Time format. Control.
That's amazing.
So wait, did Kevin McLeod from Incomputech.com made this ringtone? Absolutely not. Then did Jesus Christ make that ringtone? Absolutely not. Windows things. Windows, I hate. Okay. Who made it? Then who made temp.mid? Samsung. Not LG, not Motorola, not Nokia, not Jesus Christ, not Kevin McLeod. Samsung. Oh my god. Okay. So let's wrap things up.
If you have some way to quench the flames, that would be different.
Temp.mid Samsung GD 1200R. YouTube. Tool. Temp.mid Sam Joe 404. Google search. Toolkit.